How to reduce your AT&T wireless bill. Let's get started. First things first, take a close look at your current plan and see if you are using all the features and data you are paying for. Consider downgrading if you are not fully utilizing them. Next, bundling your wireless service with other AT&T services can score you more great discounts, so keep that in mind. Don't forget to keep an eye out for promotions and discounts that AT&T may be offering. And when in doubt, don't be afraid to negotiate with customer service for a better deal. Prepaid plans can also be a cost-effective option if you are looking to save some cash. Remember to use Wi-Fi whenever possible to minimize data usage, and keep track of your usage to avoid exceeding your plan limits. So here you can see that AT&T wireless bill includes all these charges. Lastly, explore alternative providers in your area to see if they offer better deals that fit your needs. With these tips, you can hopefully lower your AT&T wireless bill and save some money each month. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.